Assalamualaikum and hello to everybody. Okay guys, thank you for visiting my channel ZJ Vlogging. Today I'm going to talk about to you guys on how we are going to marking support and resistance for your forex chart. Okay, first of all, if let's say you want to make your forex chart look like this, okay, you just need to click on properties here. Make sure on the common side you untick the show grid. You click on show period separator, and the color scheme you choose the black on white. Okay, when you choose this one, everything it will change to uh, this uh, this chart. Okay, now I'm going to talk to you guys on how am I marking my support and resistance. Before marking my support and resistance, I will tag my chart as I'm preferred. For me, for this chart, I will just put on support here. You can choose the text here, and for the second chart, I will using two chart with same pair. Here, I will just put on resistance. Okay, for the support side, no support mean is the lowest price of the week. Here, I'm giving you an example for the present week, third week, second week, and first week. This is the first week. For the first week, you need to identify the lowest price for that week. Okay. For the lowest price for the week, this is the price. There is the lowest price, which is 0.88711. This is the lowest price. So click on the horizontal line. Just mark it there. Mark on the lowest price for the first week. Second week, same goes to the second week, find the lowest price and marking it there. Why I'm choosing that is at the lowest price, because I'm taking also the shadow. Some of us might take only the body, but I'm taking also the shadow. So for the third week also marking it there is the lowest price. So this is how I'm marking my support. And normally I will you can choose you can just marking it as long as the data is here in the chart. But for me, I will just marking it at the price. Okay, it's closest to the price. I will marking for the support and resistance. It will be easier for me. Okay, for the resistance here, same goes to first week, second week, third week. For resistance, meaning that the highest price for that week. For the first week, the highest price is here. So marking it there. Take the shadow, yeah, not only the body. Okay, the second week, the shadow, the highest price, and the third week, the highest price. Normally, I will not marking for the present week. Okay, so this is how I marking my support and resistance. If let's say you feel that this video give you some knowledge and everything, you like this video, just give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And just to let you know, is actually I'm also selling an ebook, a naked chart ebook, whereby we are not using any indicator. We just buy it based on our knowledge. So if let's say you would like to know further about this ebook, you can DM me. I will just give my Instagram and link on the description below. Okay, you can DM me for the price and everything. I will be sharing you some knowledge about Forex on the next video. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Goodbye.